slides right out of there. Gotta see what it is for the new ones. Let's see. Okay. Alright. KYX. And then, so the new ones come fully built. So that's good. And these things still have a little bit of weight to them. But, alright, so there's that. These links can come out. Now, I guess I think I have to order another set of these. But these look shorter. Front loader and rear loader, but still, I have to go back to the drawing table on that one. I think I might have not have the right ones, because that's definitely shorter. So I have to go back to the drawing table on that one. I know it says UTB on here, but it's still unlimited. Oh, it's the 18th. Oh, that's my fault, see? That's my fault. Alright, back to the drawing board on that. They weren't too expensive, so. Alright. So what I can do, possibly, so I don't have the thing anyway. Take this off. Really? Still? Thread lock. And then forget, how do those, oh, they're all the way through there, huh? Okay. So I think it is this one. Yes, smaller. And that old thread lock in there. Come. There it is. Oh. Okay. There it is. Look at that. A little piece of all thread pin. Alright, well, I'll have to look into that. Sometimes I'm clicking too much and sometimes I buy the wrong stuff by mistake. I'm no expert. Alright, oh yeah, so I'm gonna have to see. I forgot all about that. I gotta get that little tiny little servo. So I gotta look into that. It's a little, I think it's a mini. I forget what they call that. Ultra mini. And that's for the rear drag. I would like to keep it original with that drag, even though I got the rear steer on there. So let's see here. Forget how to take that out. So I think I gotta take this whole thing off, if I remember correctly. Let's see where that's at. Thread lock. Twist it in, twist it out. Come right in and right out. How far does this have to come out though? The whole thing. Twist in, twist out, twist in, twist out. Okay. Right. So there's that. There's the rear ram for the drag. Look at that beauty. Alright, well, I'm going to have to take that apart anyway. So, take this off. I'm going to do this first. So, remove that. It's been a while. Wish, oh, you know what? What do I got here? Is that too big? No, too small. And then that's too big. You're screwing with me. Yeah. Why even? Why even bother? Let's see. Be a dum-dum because I'm gonna have to put that. I guess I'll have to take that. Let's see here. that. There's that. That's gonna look beautiful. Fits right in there nicely. That's pretty nice. I was wondering how much, if I would have to bend it open. And it slides right in there with no problems. Alright. So let's see. Bad boy. Ooh-wee. Going in. It's a little off. Definitely not a smooth. Ooh. There it goes. There it goes. Ooh, that's gonna look so sweet in here. That's gonna look so sweet. There's the old guy, 35T, yeah. So 35 turns. That's how many wires are on that armature in there. I forget if you go higher or lower, producing how much torque. So, alright, well, there's that. Let's take a quick look. Take those off later. Don't worry about all that. Let's take a look at what this castle looks like. Very anxious to see this. Not like a nice new motor, and I've been messing with gas power for the last few turns, so it's time to get back to some actual battery motors, electric motors. Oh my god, this is the motor? Oh, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, look at that little baby. Oh, man. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Still pretty close in size. Oh. What's that? Beautiful. Beautiful. 100,000 RPM. I'm going to have to tune this down because I'm not racing this thing. But there is a couple different modes you can put it in. Oh, that's going to look badass. Look at that. And it's green and red. Oh, just in time for Christmas. Just in time for Christmas. Let's see what this ESC looks like here. Ooh, look at that little thing. Little copperhead. Little copperhead. Look at that little guy. Oh, that's pretty dope. Again, there's my thumb, my ugly thumb. It's not that big, obviously. It's 1/10 scale. But I think this is going to be a good setup, guys. Now, my problem is, will this fit in there? That might not work. And guess what? It doesn't go in there, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this one, I mean, they have that tucked up underneath there. And it's on a cross piece. See that? Oh, with some sticky tape. So I'm wondering, Dolph wondering if I can put that bad boy all the way up front here. Now this is supposed to be waterproof. That's supposed to be waterproof. This doesn't, I don't know, is this waterproof? Yeah, it says waterproof. Waterproof. ESC. Okay, well, that solves that. because I would like it to not have to go in here. I mean, that's where the old one would sit. But it looks like I can put it maybe up here. Oh, it'll be right up there, front and center. So, more to come. That's the first phase of it. I had to dig into this and see what I had and what I didn't have, and obviously I found out that I bought the wrong links, which is not a big deal. And yeah, I gotta wait for my axles to come in anyway. And more to come. Stay tuned.